Talk about MPG. Only one owner. Standard new car financing rates available for qualified customers. If you've been hunting for just the right 2009 Toyota Corolla, then stop your search right here. This is the fuel-efficient car that is easy on your wallet. This Corolla has a great cockpit layout, with all the controls easy to find and right where you need them. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2009 Corolla 5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality mechanical. The best new cars make the best used cars. It stands to reason that the better a product is made, the longer it will last, which makes getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price a very savvy move. Toyota's timeless commitment to quality, innovation and durability is the foundation upon which the Toyota Certified Used Vehicle TCUV program launched in 1996. With each passing year, the TCUV program has gained momentum, totaling over 3 million sales and counting. Along with industry-leading heritage comes another advantage: unexceptional coverage policy. With a 12-month/12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year/100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, plus 1 full year of roadside assistance, honored at over 1,400 Toyota dealers in the US and Canada, we've got you covered.